Today we're out at the site of one of Gasper's latest featured projects, and this is a great project. It was designed by my colleague, landscape designer Nick Lupinacci, and I really love what Nick did out here. I can't wait to show you. One of the first things I want to show you is the freestanding garage that we built for this client.
I think a lot of people don't even know that we do garages. And there's so much more we do besides landscape design, besides hardscaping, besides structures. We actually build a garage, which is quite amazing. I think most of our clientele would be very interested to know that you wouldn't have to get 2 or 3 different contractors, that just one place can handle all of it for you. And what an amazing garage it is. It truly is.
What was nice about it is that the backside of the garage is actually a pool house. So the way that the garage is oriented actually gives them extra space directly onto the pool area in the back. And that allows it to be a multi-dual use building. So not only do you have extra space for cars or storage, but you have that great covered outdoor space for entertaining and enjoyment around the pool. Plus they got a bathroom. I think what's nice about this structure is that it really matches the house. I mean, it looks like it was built with the house. It doesn't look like an add-on. It doesn't look like an afterthought. It really looks like it was all built at the same time. And that's important. You don't want it not to match.
Nick did a fabulous job on this.
This is one of my favorite spots in this yard. This is that covered porch we were talking about earlier on the back side of the garage. And I really like these chairs you picked out, Eli. They're kind of fun.
Yeah, who doesn't like a good swivel? It certainly tells a good story. The material is actually made to be outside too. It looks like rope, but it really isn't. It's made by an outdoor manufacturer and basically just hose it off. And the fabric, of course, is Sunbrella, very easily cleaned. So it's going to give them many years of comfort and joy.
And on top of that, they're kind of practical because it's like a conversation set for when you have your friends over. But if you have like kids out in the pool, it's kind of important to be able to keep an eye on kids in the pool. That's safety rule number 1. And right around the corner here is the outdoor bathroom. It's always nice when you are designing a pool house or like a structure that's serving a pool area to include another bathroom, because just think about it, like, right, you got all these wet kids, a lot of times wet guests, they're in the pool, and it just keeps people from traipsing through the house. It's also a lot more convenient, really, to be able to just come right outside and have a place to go.
What a nice bathroom it is.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the tile work in there is superb. The finishings are top notch. So it's an extension of your home. Plus, it looks great.
Practical, very practical. A big part of creating this outdoor space was the new roof. And the new roof really created a complete outdoor living space. We have our living room, we have a dining room, we have our cook station and sort of kitchen area. And this space is just so usable year-round. We've got heaters, which allows you to use this space through the fall, maybe even in the winter. It's just a very comfortable space. We've got a fireplace, we've got a TV.
Nick did a fantastic job. The woodwork, the stonework around the fireplace, the attention to detail is amazing.
Yeah, I really like the brick. I like the natural stonework of the fireplace. We have these bluestone benches for wood storage for the fireplace. And I like the cushions, the pillows you put on there, on the benches.
Yeah, it works out well to be another seating source. I mean, during entertaining, certainly a backyard like this would welcome a lot of entertaining. So if you have an extra 10 or 15 people, it certainly gives them seating back there. It works out very, very well.
And I feel like you used a lot of unique pieces here, like this coffee table really has this interesting circle pattern, and It's contemporary, but it really works in this rustic setting.
It's actually transitional. But the thing is that works with contemporary, works with traditional.
I think the color palette that you chose here really blends with the bluestone. And you do tend to use blues and grays.
It seems like a lot of our photo shoots have pools. And when you have pool with beautiful blue water, why not accessorize it and bring out blues? I do try to get better as far as doing different shades, because you could have a blue-green, you could have a navy blue. There's so many different blues and so many beautiful ones. And I think blue is a very relaxing color.
I could really see myself hanging out here.
We can arrange that. You know, Christina, this is my favorite project that we've done so far.
You say that every single time.
And I mean it every time, too. When we come into a raw canvas, we leave it, it looks magical.
I am just so impressed with what you did here with the furniture, with the palette, what my colleague Nick did with the design and layout of the space. There's so many great places to hang out.
And you know, the Gasper crews, I mean, they were here for a long time constructing this. And their due diligence as far as their attention to detail speaks volumes and looks like it too.
Yeah, it really does. These homeowners are going to have a lot of fun in years to come hanging out in this backyard space. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to show you our next featured project.